Welcome to another exciting episode on our channel, Unbelievable Top 10. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the realm of women's superpowers. Yes, you heard that right, superpowers. Not the ones you see in comic books or movies, but real, scientifically proven abilities that are unique to women. We'll be exploring everything from their uncanny ability to detect infidelity, to their superior color perception, and even their stronger immune systems. So buckle up as we delve into these intriguing superpowers that women wield, backed by science. First on our list is the ability to detect infidelity. A study conducted down under at an Australian university uncovered a fascinating fact. Women, it seems, have developed a knack for identifying if a man is likely to cheat, just by studying his face. The more masculine the man appears, the higher the likelihood of him straying, according to the women surveyed. Now, isn't that something? This intriguing ability is not mirrored in men, who seem to have a harder time identifying potential infidelity in women. From an evolutionary perspective, this makes sense. Women may have developed this superpower as a way to protect their resources and offspring from unfaithful partners. So gentlemen, listen up. That chiseled jawline and rugged look might just be giving you away. Women have an uncanny ability to pick up on these subtle cues. It's a superpower that has been honed over generations, a testament of survival and adaptation. So gentlemen, beware, your faces might just be giving you away. Next, we talk about a superpower that's all about color. Imagine being able to perceive not just a rainbow of colors, but a whole spectrum that's beyond the average person's grasp. This isn't just a figment of imagination, but a reality for some women, thanks to a phenomenon known as tetrachromacy. Scientist Israel Abramov's research delves into this fascinating ability. According to Abramov, women in general display superior color perception compared to men. They are adept at distinguishing subtle changes in hues, a skill that could have evolved during pre-agricultural times when women had the critical task of identifying edible vegetation. But what makes tetrachromacy truly extraordinary is that it takes color perception to a whole new level. Tetrachromats are women who possess 4 types of cones in their retinas, compared to the usual 3 in most humans. This additional cone type exponentially expands their color perception, enabling them to perceive up to 100 million different colors. So the next time you're awestruck by a sunset or a piece of art, remember, there might be a woman standing next to you who's experiencing it in a way you can only dream of. Ladies, you truly see the world in a different light. Moving on to a superpower that's a bit unusual but effective. Let's talk about morning sickness. Yes, that uncomfortable experience many pregnant women endure. But did you know it's actually a defense mechanism? It's Mother Nature's way of protecting both the mother and the unborn child from potential harm. You see, morning sickness is believed to safeguard the mother and her baby from parasites and harmful toxins that may be present in certain foods like meat, fish, and poultry. It's a fascinating survival strategy, isn't it? But there's more. Research suggests a direct correlation between intense morning sickness and fewer incidents of miscarriage. This means that the stronger the morning sickness, the higher the chances of a successful, healthy pregnancy. It's as if the body is going to great lengths to ensure the growth of healthy offspring and the continuation of the human race. So next time you hear about morning sickness, remember it's not just an inconvenience. It's a superpower working to protect and preserve life. Mother Nature sure knows how to protect her own, doesn't she? Now, let's talk about a superpower that's quite surprising. It revolves around an experience that is often perceived as painful and strenuous: childbirth. However, a study with midwives has shed light on quite a unique phenomenon. It turns out some women experience pleasure, even reaching the heights of an orgasm during childbirth. Yes, you heard it right. An orgasm. This study found that at least 668 women reported an orgasmic experience during birth. The phenomenon of obstetrical orgasm, as it's scientifically termed, was even highlighted in the 2009 film Orgasmic Birth: The Best Kept Secret. However, it's important to note that this phenomenon isn't universal. The experience of pleasure during childbirth varies greatly among individuals. Some women may experience this intense pleasure while others may not. It's yet another testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of the female body. Talk about a silver lining during one of life's most intense experiences. Next, we explore a superpower that's all about connection. When the going gets tough, it's human nature to respond in various ways. Some people retreat within themselves, while others seek solace in the company of others. But did you know that women have a unique propensity to reach out to others when under stress? Yes, that's right. While men tend to become more self-centered in stressful situations, women display heightened empathy and are more likely to seek and provide support. This phenomenon was demonstrated in a study published in Psychoneuroendocrinology, which found that women are more inclined to connect with others during stressful times. But what fuels this empathetic superpower? It's a combination of socialization and hormonal factors. Women are often encouraged to express their feelings and connect with others, which may contribute to this behavior. Moreover, women have higher levels of oxytocin, a hormone known for its role in social bonding. This love hormone, as it's often called, might be another key player in women's enhanced empathy under stress. All these factors come together to create this incredible superpower that women possess. Their ability to maintain connections, to feel and understand what others are going through, even in the face of adversity, is truly remarkable. Women's capacity for empathy, even under stress, is truly remarkable. Moving on, our next superpower is one that keeps women healthier. It's all about the immune system, which in women is naturally stronger than in men. This superpower is fueled by biological differences that work in women's favor. Firstly, women have more microRNA. This is a type of molecule that plays a crucial role in gene expression. In the context of immunity, microRNA strengthens the immune system and inhibits the growth of cancer. That's right, this tiny molecule is a powerhouse that helps keep women healthy. Next up is estrogen, the primary female sex hormone. Beyond its role in reproduction, estrogen also has a protective effect on the immune system. It prevents the formation of an enzyme that interferes with the inflammatory process. This means that women's bodies are better equipped to fight off infections and diseases. Lastly, women's immune systems age more slowly than men's. This slower aging process helps maintain a robust defense mechanism against diseases for a longer period. With a superpower like this, it's no wonder women tend to live longer. The seventh superpower on our list is an interesting one. It's all about tears, but not just any tears. We're talking about emotional tears, the ones that well up when we're feeling deeply. An intriguing study has discovered that a yet unidentified chemical found in women's emotional tears can actually reduce testosterone levels and sexual arousal in men. Now you might be thinking, how could that possibly be helpful? Well, scientists speculate that this unique ability could have evolved for efficient mating. Consider this. Women are more likely to cry when they are least fertile. So when a woman's tears lower a man's arousal, it could be nature's way of signaling that it's not the optimal time for procreation. It's a fascinating concept, right? But remember, this is still an area of ongoing research, and more studies are needed to fully understand the effects of women's tears on men. Still, it's yet another testament to the intricate and astounding ways in which women's bodies function. Ladies, who knew your tears could have such an impact? Last, but certainly not least, we have a superpower that's all about mate selection. A fascinating study conducted at the University of Toronto discovered a unique ability in women. It turns out that ovulating women are surprisingly good at determining a man's sexual orientation. Yes, you heard that right. The study found that the more fertile the woman, the more accurately she could identify the sexual orientation of men from photographs. This intriguing ability can be seen as an evolutionary tool designed to help women select the most suitable mate. After all, what could be more important in the grand scheme of evolution than successful reproduction? In the primal dance of life, this skill could have been crucial in ensuring that a woman's offspring had the best chance of survival. This fascinating finding reminds us of how deeply intertwined we are with our biological roots. Even in today's modern world, our bodies and minds are still playing by the rules set down by millions of years of evolution. Talk about a finely tuned radar. So there you have it, the 8 superpowers of women according to science. We kicked off with the fascinating ability of women to detect infidelity in men, a skill honed perhaps to safeguard resources and offspring. Then we marveled at the superior color perception of women, a trait likely evolved from the need to pick out edible vegetation in pre-agrarian times. We discussed the unique defense mechanism of morning sickness during pregnancy, helping protect mothers and their unborn children from harmful toxins. Then there was the surprising revelation of pleasure, even orgasms during childbirth, a phenomenon that varies among individuals. We also shed light on the higher empathy levels in women under stress, contrasting the more self-centered responses of men. We also highlighted the stronger immune systems women possess, thanks to biological differences, potentially contributing to their longer lifespans. We explored the intriguing study that revealed an unknown chemical in women's emotional tears that reduces testosterone levels and sexual arousal in men. Lastly, we touched on the remarkable ability of ovulating women to determine a man's sexual orientation, a skill that evolution might have primed infertile women to choose suitable mates. Each of these superpowers underlines the incredible strength and resilience of women, backed by scientific studies and research. They're not just abilities, but evolutionary tools that have helped shape the course of human history and continue to do so. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unbelievable world of women's superpowers. Don't forget to subscribe to Unbelievable Top 10 for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring the unbelievable.